Okay, today we're looking at 3-1A, more about rays and angles, which you're going to find on pages 156 to 160. Our assignment today is going to be 3-1A, pages 158 to 160, exercises 1 through 14 all, and problem number 17. Our objective today is to classify different types of angles and identify the parts of an angle and its surrounding environment. Okay, so if I look at this angle ABC, we see that the definition of an angle is made up of two rays with a common endpoint. Well, we've got ray BA, we also have ray BC, and the common endpoint is B, which we call the vertex. Now, if we put another ray in there, call it BD, we see that point D and ray BD are in the interior of angle ABC. Let's throw in point E, and point E is in the exterior of angle ABC. So that's the angles, and that's an angle, definition of an angle, what looks to be the interior and exterior, and things that you would find in both the interior and exterior of an angle. Okay, now let's take a look at another picture. Here we have angles DBC and ABC. Acute angles are angles whose measures are between 0 and 90 degrees. In other words, the measure of angle DBC is going to be between 0 and 90. So imagine that you're swinging that arm BD, and it starts over by BC and goes counterclockwise. Anything for between 0 and 90 would be classified as an acute angle. Okay? Right angles are angles whose measures are 90 degrees. In other words, if I were to take the measure of angle DBC, that would be exactly 90 degrees. Those two rays, by the way, or line segments, are perpendicular to each other. All right, obtuse angles are angles whose measures are between 90 and 180 degrees. In other words, the measure of angle ABC is going to be greater than 90 and less than 180. Okay? And then finally we have a straight line. A straight line is made up of opposite rays and whose measure is 180 degrees. In other words, the measure of angle ABC is 180.